Hey y'all, welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. I'm Courtney Futch, and you'll be seeing me all across this channel cooking lots of recipes that range from Southern to kind of modern American, a little bit of Middle Eastern, all of them using our beautiful HK sauces, and we'll even be doing a little bit of baking. So I've been in the kitchen for what feels like for sure 2 decades. I started learning how to bake when I was about 6 or 7 in the kitchen with my mom, who's an incredible baker and also a phenomenal home cook. And growing up in Atlanta, I feel like Southern food has just sort of always been a part of my love language in food. My love of baking eventually led me to opening a bakery of my own while I was still in college, which I grew up and through my master's program and just loved so much, but eventually wanted to transition to the savory side of food, which I did about 6 years ago and started like a catering company, which was so much fun, doing private dinner parties, and also working full-time in corporate America on like the brand partnerships and marketing side of the food industry. Which leads me to how I met the team here at HK. So in 2018, I was working for a meal kit company running brand partnerships, and we got a cold call. Somebody stopped in one day with a bunch of beautiful Haven's Kitchen sauces. They were like brand spanking new, really beautiful products, and at the time there were only 3 sauces. And I was just so enamored, and I was doing everything possible within my company to try to bring Haven's Kitchen on board. I felt like we really needed it. Beautiful sauce, beautiful flavor, super authentic, and made right here in New York City. And there was something about that that just really spoke to me. I resonated with the cooking school. I resonated with the entrepreneurial spirit and the desire to empower the home cook. It spoke to me. And so naturally, I wanted to see what was going on over here at HK. It was a few years later, and I'd worked a few other jobs since then, and eventually saw the role here at Haven's Kitchen, joined the team in 2021, and now I'm the senior content manager here as well. My absolute favorite thing about being a part of the HK team is hands down all of our love for wonderful, really accessible, very beautiful, but also really easy home cooking. And it's something that all of us are very passionate about and excited about, and we're really thrilled to share here with you. Now, I know that we're not supposed to have favorites, so just between you and I, it's tahini. I literally put it on everything. I use it literally all the time, on starches, on grilled meats, on peaches. It's just delicious on everything, and it really has become the thing that I reach for the most in my refrigerator. I hope that I can convert you into a tahini lover too, so follow along to see all of the beautiful things we're cooking over here at Haven's Kitchen. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much in advance for your support, and as always, cook happy.